And just like how we have a property name and its value, right? Similarly, we want to change, for example, the color. So color is a property and we'll set its value to red. Okay, so you can see this h1 tag, its color has been updated to red. Now this kind of modification where you modify these styles on the element itself is known as. So here we have two h1 tags and it says this is the first heading, this is the second heading. Let's inspect these, and if you take a look over here at the styles tab, this might be appearing on the right hand side for you. So the browser does some default styling for all HTML elements. So if you notice over here, we have this font size property and its value is 2em. Just remember that EM is a unit of measurement. There are different units. We'll learn about them in one of the upcoming videos. And similarly, we have another property which is font weight and its value has been set to bold. That means the text which appears in this tag needs to be shown as bold, right? So this is the default styling, also known as the user agent style sheet, which is coming from the browser. Each browser has its own way of displaying elements. So that is known as the user agent style sheet. So if we want to modify the styling for this h1 tag, we can do so with the help of the style attribute. So we can type style over here, and just like how we have a property name and its value, right? Similarly, we want to change, for example, the color. So color is a property and we'll set its value to red. Okay, so you can see this h1 tag, its color has been updated to red. Similarly, let's make some changes over here. We'll change the color for this tag to blue. So the second heading is now appearing in the color blue. Similarly, we can modify the background color. So we can give it a background color of, say, beige, and you can see the background color has been modified. We can also modify the font weight. Suppose we don't want this text to appear as bold, we'll set the font weight to 100. And when we save this, you can see this heading is no longer bold. And we can also modify its font size. Let's reduce the font size, set it to something like 12 pixels. So you can see the font size has been reduced. So this is how you can play around with different properties and you can change the styling of an element. Now this kind of modification where you modify these styles on the element itself is known as inline styling or inline CSS. You can help me grow by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you wish to receive notifications about any new content from this channel, hit the bell icon.